What's up, family? This is your boy Taylan Jackson, aka Tay Smooth. I will be talking about the brand Collision today. Drumsticks, Collision Drumsticks. Shout out to them. First, let's get into a quick background check. I've been playing drums ever since I was 3. This is something that I've been passionate about ever since I was a little child. Whether it was beating on pots, pans, tearing up church fans, playing on desks, tables, anything I can use, you know, from the little pecan jars and stuff like that. I remember my grandma used to, you know, tell me about that all the time, but she knew, you know, God had, you know, things in store for me. But let's jump into a little bit of my career. I've been playing in church, you know, for all my life, and still is to this day. I did jazz band in middle school. I won best soloist. I did marching band in high school. And after high school, I got the experience in the live, you know, the live music type of situation and gigs. And I played with Pleasure and Level 10, and I now have my very own band called Vibes. Make sure you go check us out. We're gonna put out an album late this upcoming fall. But other than that, let's get into about the drumsticks though. We're gonna get into that. All right, Collision Drumsticks. Collision Drumsticks. Alright, these are very versatile sticks to use. Very versatile. It doesn't matter what set you're playing on. These are very comfortable. 3 things I like about them: they're durable, comfortable, and the sticking is amazing. The feel is amazing. Like I said, whether you're on a practice pad, snare, cymbals, the feel is amazing. You're gonna feel the drums and you're gonna feel the sticks. They're not, you know, slippery or anything. The feel, as you can tell, I've already been playing with them. But as you can tell, the feel, the sticking is amazing, and the durability is amazing. So I recommend these sticks to any drummer. So, I know I'm talking. I know y'all ready to hear me play. So we about to go ahead and dive straight into it. Let's get into it.